Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Let's see if the video is going. Yep, so we're inside Emanuel's bathroom. This is the finished bathroom. Wanted everybody to see this, so you can see the nice, beautiful vanity here. You can see the nice vanity top, beautiful hardware. Opted to go with 2 mirrors, one over each vanity bowl. Very, very nice. If we come over here, this is not a frameless shower door. Opted to go with the frame, which looks very, very nice because it ties in all the hardware, so it's got the same hardware finish. This is a combination toilet and bidet, which is becoming more popular. Then besides the full-size shower stall here, we have a bathtub over here. So this is a nice custom soaking tub, extra deep. This is all cultured marble. It's in a gray motif, and there's tile accent around the top and the perimeter. And then the other thing I will show you is there is a built-in bench, which a lot of people like for all sorts of reasons. And the corner bench, it works nicely as a bench, but doesn't take up a ton of room. And here's a very popular wall configuration. This happens to be Growy hardware, where you have a shower wand as well as a rain shower head that comes out, and the mixing valves are all external here. So on the right side, it changes the hot and cold mix. On the left side, you turn it one way and it powers the shower head, and you turn it the other way and the water comes out of the shower head up top. There's a built-in corner niche, and over here that's the sliding door to the master bedroom closet. And anyway, that's a quick view of this bathroom and the addition that we did here. Thanks very much.